originally started doing this in November, and we projected that we'd be all done putting in these 200 acres by, at most January. Well,
so say, is olivine supposed to be present or absent from this phase assemblage, this rock?
You know, I don't have the top secret knowledge that, oh, Smith was a co-author. Oh, well. The titanium is going to be bogus. You have to divide by the square root.
Some alpha melts can do this. We can do something similar, except we have an additional consideration. And I'm going to have everyone open up the Jupyter. There's 2 Jupyter notebooks that we're going to open up. They're in the shared folder.
Have covariance matrices, because otherwise it's rubbish in, rubbish out in terms of propagation. And we'll see that later on.
It's hard to complete these 3 milestones works, but it can be useful for some things like
allow any of the compositions of the minerals to change. I just change the pressure and temperature.
So I use so here the first few cells.
You'd be able to use we're going to have the functions that you'd be able to use melts calculated partition.
That forced Wright isotype, you know, the silicates are the things that are dominating the oxygen. But this is for one solar model.
That it was. And the other issue is that even when I make one, I know I've made a mistake. So now I go publish this thing. And now I want to change it because I realized I made a goof. Yeah, you're going to be...
Oh, busy.
Fluid just looks at the fluid and it has a drag or the painting as if the water is going to be against the part. Warning, it is obnoxious. You read these papers and you say, how the hell did this get published?
When you work on the digitization, if you can, and then there will be some more sense of camaraderie, and you can go on the Slack and like ask questions and expect that other people are maybe working on it too.
But I think the discussion is
Oh, and Paula, did you talk to Mark about?
No, I've been waiting.
Right? So this would translate to epsilon from T underscore and P underscore. And then the parentheses, and then the T and P.